Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, consider the following statements about Sikh gurus. First, Baba Banda Bahadur was appointed as the military leader of the Sikhs by Guru Tegh Bahadur. Second, Guru Arjun Dev became the Sikh Guru after Guru Ramdas. Third, Guru Arjun Dev gave to Sikhs their own script Gurumukhi. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option number A, 1 only, B, 2 and 3, C, 1 and 3, D, 1 and 2. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number B, 2 and 3. So Baba Banda Bahadur was appointed as the military leader of the Sikhs by Guru Gobind Singh and not Guru Tegh Bahadur. So option number 1 is wrong and you are left with option number 2 and 3, option number B. So all these two statements are correct. So this was all about question number first. So these Sikh gurus are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So these are in news also. So you may have heard the news about Be-Adbi of Guru Granth Sahib. So you should know how many Sikh gurus were there and what about Guru Granth Sahib and what are his teachings. Who was Guru Nanak Dev? Who was 10th Sikh Guru? So you should read more about these Sikh gurus. This is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So now let us discuss question number 2. Bhakt Tukaram was a contemporary of which Mughal emperor? Option number A, Babur, B, Akbar, C, Jahangir, D, Aurangzeb. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, Jahangir. So best answer is C, as Tukaram 1608 to 1650 was a Marathi Bhakti poet and a devotee of Lord Krishna. So time period of Jahangir was 1605 to 1627. So the answer of this question is C, Jahangir. So you should know about Bhakti saints and Bhakti literature also. So in 2021 mains examination, UPSC asked question about Bhakti literature, and in previous years mains also UPSC has asked questions on Bhakti movement. So you should know about this topic. This is very important from mains as well as prelims exam point of view. So now let us discuss question number 3. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statements. First, the concept of Bodhisattva is central to Hinayan sect of Buddhism. Second, Bodhisattva is a compassionate one on his way to enlightenment. Third, Bodhisattva delays achieving his own salvation to help all sentient beings on their path to it. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? So, option number A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 2 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option number B 2 and 3 only. So, the concept of Bodhisattva is central to Mahayana doctrines of Buddhism. The term Bodhisattva literally means one who has enlightenment as his or her essence. A Bodhisattva is a being who is destined for enlightenment rather than one who has gained it already. A Bodhisattva is also normally thought of as consciously working towards enlightenment. So you can call someone a Bodhisattva just because they might be enlightened in the future if they haven't started making an effort yet. So for this reason, the earliest use of the term Bodhisattva refers to Siddhartha Gautam before he gained enlightenment and also in his previous lives. Thus, Bodhisattva is central to Mahayana sect of Buddhism, hence first statement is wrong, while second and third statements are correct. So this was all about question number 3, and this Buddhism and Jainism topic is extremely important from UPSC Prelims exam point of view. So you should cover these topics from standard NCERTs as well as some basic sources. So you should know the difference between Hinayan and Mahayana sect of Buddhism. So this question can also be asked in Prelims 2022 and 2023. So this was all about question number 3. So now let us discuss question number 4. Among the following, who was not a proponent of Bhakti cult? Option number A, Nagarjun, B, Tukaram, C, Tyagaraj, D, Vallabhacharya. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number A, Nagarjun. So Nagarjun was an early philosopher and was the founder of the Madhyamika philosophy. So Nagarjun was not a proponent of Bhakti cult. So the question asked was, who was not a prominent of Bhakti cult? So option number A, Nagarjun is the answer. And all other 3 options like Tukaram, Tyagaraj and Vallabhacharya, these were the proponents of Bhakti cult. So UPSC has asked question on Tyagaraja. So the question asked was whether Tyagaraja was contemporary of Akbar or not. So likewise UPSC repeats its questions. So this was the question that was asked in 2010, and the line which I am telling you that whether Tyagaraja was contemporary of Akbar or not was asked in 2016 or 2017 prelims examination. So again I am telling you that you should read more about the options which are given in the UPSC previous year's questions. So now let us discuss question number 5. Banjaras during the medieval period of Indian history were generally option number A, agriculturalist, B, warriors, C, weavers, and D, traders. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, traders. In India, Banjara people were transporters of goods from one place to another, and the goods they transported included salt, grains, firewood, and cattle. Thus, Banjaras were trader nomads. So you can refer more about Banjaras in class 7 NCERT on page number 94 to 95. So UPSC asks questions on keywords of ancient and medieval history. So you should read more about keywords which are mentioned in basic NCERTs. So you can also use Google and you can know more about the keywords which are mentioned in NCERTs. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.